This guide demonstrates how to create and manage bookmarks in Blaze. First, navigate to the View menu. First, select and bring up a camera. Search through the footage using any of the standard methods. You can search for specific objects or use the histogram tool to find events. Once the target video is located, click and drag to select the time period on the timeline. Then, click the Add Bookmark button. Fine-tune the start and end times as required. Play back the selection here to confirm the correct footage. Click the Time Range button to make further adjustments to the timing. For precision, set the start to a full minute and round down the end time to the nearest full minute. Specific time increments are available for selection below. After confirming the duration, assign a name to the bookmark. Next, enter a description for the bookmark. This may include case details, license plate numbers, or any other evidence relevant to this recording. There is also an option to protect the video from being deleted. Set a specific duration for how long the video should be protected. The system will indicate how long the video will be retained based on the days entered. Alternatively, select Keep Forever to prevent accidental deletion. This is ideal for critical evidence that requires permanent storage. Now, click to add the bookmark. Once added, a small pop-up appears, indicating where to find the bookmarked video. Click on the Bookmark menu or use the shortcut Ctrl-B. This view displays all bookmarks created within the last 12 hours. Filter the list to show different time periods if necessary. Use the device filter to view bookmarks for specific cameras only. Bookmarks can also be accessed directly from the home screen. The newly created bookmark will appear in this list. Review all associated details here. Click Open a new tab to play the bookmark in a separate tab. Returning to the previous tab, the video can be easily exported from here. The selected time period will automatically carry over to the Export menu. During playback, the Loop Playback option is available. This enables the video to play repeatedly in a cycle. Bookmarks can be edited at any time, and there is also an option to manually delete them if needed. Finally, the entire bookmark list can be exported as a CSV file.